Good evening, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start. It's been 4 days we haven't have any lectures, right? So let's start with the introduction. Let's just go through it, and we can start our routing part from today. Okay. So basically, in our first lecture, we completed introduction to our firewall, right? So what is a firewall? Let's recall, guys, so that we can move further. Anyone? Anyone going
It's
to
look
explain?
at packets
Okay.
for outside and also sometimes inside to outside.
Yes, yes. Okay.
And
Anyone else?
if it detects some anomaly, it blocks if comes
Right,
to
right. Yes, yes.
outside post
It blocks
or
unauthorized access,
inside.
right?
Yes.
Yes. So basically, firewall is a barrier between our internal network and external network, right? Give me a second, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Yes, Santosh, you're right. Firewall is a layer 3 device. But do you know, guys, we can use firewall as a layer 2 device also, which is basically called as transparent firewall. Anyone knows about it?
Yes, sir. In terms of ASA.
Okay. Anyone else?
It's act as a bridge device between two layer three.
Right, right. Yes. Anyone else?
Uh, it's only the it's only we are transforming the VLAN information. We won't assign IP addresses.
Great. Yeah, you are right. So basically, we can use a transparent firewall, which act, which is in between our in system and external network, which basically works in our internal network that no one will know that how the uh, Facebook.com or Instagram is getting blocked. We can manually block such things via using layered transparent firewall, right? You can also access the GUI of that firewall via admin only. Okay. We learned about next generation firewalls, standalone firewalls, and FortiGate's next generation firewalls. Okay. Here it means that for every single domain, there is a single device. But in what happens in FortiGate next generation firewalls is that there are certain domains bundled up to create a new next generation firewall, right? We learned some features to check before purchasing firewall like architecture, sessions, integration, and all that stuff. We also looked at stateful and stateless firewall, and we also did comparison between them. So, which is mostly used in our infrastructure nowadays, stateful or stateless?
Stateful.
Okay, great. Uh, one advantage of stateful and one disadvantage of stateful. Anyone?
Stateful. In stateful firewall, we do not need to make two policy for incoming to out and out pins. Like
Yes, right. We can make one policy and it will uh, redirect it as well, right?
yes, yes.
Yes, right. So we also learned some of the firewall cybersecurity threats such as malware, virus, Trojan horse, spyware, ransomware, right? Yes, Abhishek, you're right. Advanced protection policy. We also learned about role-based access control, right? Role-based access control, how we can define role to someone to access the firewall, such as L3 admin, L2 admin, L1 admin, right? Read, write access or full access, we can say. Demilitarized zone. We also learned about demilitarized zone, benefits of it, services that includes, right? So today
The
we
role
will be
is it works on the layer 7 or it can be worked on the layer transport layer as well.
which one?
Role based.
No, role based basically doesn't work on our OSA model. It is for our firewall. I will wait. I will help you with it. See, for example, let's deploy a firewall over here. Let's connect it with an internet. Let's do the pre-config to access the GUI. Password is none. Let's create one password. 123. Let's go to config system interface. Edit port 1. Let's change the mode to static. Set IP 192.168.1.200/24. Set allow access https ssh fgfm right. show system interface. So as you can see, we have given IP address 192.168.1.200. We have set allow access to ping, HTTPS, SSH, and FGFM. Okay, let's access our firewall 192.168.1.200. Let's log in. So here, as you can see, in system administrators, we have an option where we can create administrators, right? So over here, as you can see, you can create a new administrator. Okay, so over here you can make a new user. So basically what role-based access control means that we are giving access to limited resources in our infrastructure. For example, if you are a marketing guy, right, you are from marketing team, so you don't need access to switch and routers, right, or the data center. But if you are an IT guy, you will need to get the access of data center to do the configuration and edit some steps, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, now you understand.
Yes, sir. It means role base is for the configurational privilege level of the
Yes, yes,
devices,
yes,
not on. Yes, I can
it's
understand.
about the users, you can say,
Okay.
right?
Right, sir. Right,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
Okay.
such as beginners will only given read access, intermediate will given some of the write access, and the admin will have the full access, right?
You're right, sir. I was thinking that it role base is on is used for the usage of the users.
No, 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 not
Okay.
that.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Clear.
Okay, anyone have any questions? So that we can start our routing stuff.
Yes.
Yes, let me know.
Yes, we can start.
I can start. Okay. Okay, so guys, today we will be starting with our routing topic, right? So there are three types of routing, right? Static routing, default routing, and advanced routing. So what basically routing is? Why it is used for?
Connecting to different networks.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, no problem. So basically,
The
we use,
destination. Find out the destination path with the valid and best
right? Yes. Thank you.
routing.
Okay. So here we will start with routing. Basically, there are three types of routing: static routing, default routing, and advanced routing. Okay. So in advanced routing, there are more three subtopics, right? RIP, OSPF, and BGP. Okay. So do you guys know why we use default routing? Static routing is like we entered it manually, administratively, right? But why default routing it is used?
For unknown destination.
Right. So let's set up a simple lab over here and start with our, okay. So we will take two routers, one on LAN side and one on WAN side. one on LAN side, one on WAN side. Okay, let's edit their names. R1, R2. Okay, let's turn this off so that we can do the connection. So port 2 will be our inside and port 3 will be our outside. Okay, let's do the IP addressing. Here we will give 200.200.200.0/24 network. For LAN, we will duplicate this. And for WAN, we will give 10.1.23.0. Okay, so let's do the configuration on the router. I will also give loopback addresses so that we can do the routing. Slash 32. Right, so this is our basic lab. We will start our router. Let's start with our configuration. Let's go to privilege mode, configuration terminal, to show IP interface brief to check the Ethernet ports. Let's give Ethernet 0, interface Ethernet 0/0, IP address 200.200.200.10/24, 255.255.255.0, no shut, exit. Let's give the interface loopback. Interface loopback 1.1.1.1.1, 255.255.255.255. Okay, IP address, no shut, exit, show IP interface brief, so IP interface brief, right? We have given IP address to Ethernet 0/0 and also our loopback address. Let's configure our router 2. Give me 5 minutes, guys. I will be back. 5 minutes. Okay, guys, sorry for the interruption. So let's do the configuration with our router 2. Privilege mode, configuration terminal. Interface brave. Interface E0/0. Right? Okay. Interface E0/0. IP address 10.1.23.10. 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shut, exit, interface, loopback to 255.255.255.0. Forgot to IP add, no shut, exit, to show IP interface brief. Okay, we are all done with our routers. Let's access our Fortinet firewall. Okay, let's start our configuration over there. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, let me check. Yes, everything is right. Let's do one thing. One 192.168.1.200, right? It should be accessible now. Hello? Hello,
Yes.
guys. Voice is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Han, what about you? Is it clear for you as
Absolutely.
well?
Now it's fine.
Okay,
Earlier
okay,
it
thank
was
you.
a bit lower.
Okay, okay.
Your voice is clear. Not problem.
Okay, thank you. What is the issue with it? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's wipe it. Let's give it the IP address again. Let's do the basic configuration. Config system interface. Edit port 1. Set mode static. Set IP 192.168.1.200. /24. Set allow access. HTTP, HTTPS, ping, SSH, FGFM. Okay. Exit. Show system interface. Show system interface. Done, right? Let's check now if we are able to get the access. Yes. Don't know what was the problem earlier. Let's see. Okay. Admin 123. Data. Attempting to reconnect. Has anyone faced this issue earlier? Because I'm facing this for the first time.
Sir, I think maybe we have some mistake to make a routing settings,
Oh, is
but
it
I
because
don't know.
we haven't set up yet, right? Routing. We just update the configuration. Let me check. Give me 5 minutes. I think there is some issue with the image of the Fortinet firewall. Have anyone faced this issue before?
You are connecting this device from your machine directly.
Wait, what? Can you tell me once again?
Is your machine connected? You are connecting this file.
Yes, it's in the same network.
Okay.
The IP address I have given is in the same network.
Not sure, but check if you are losing the ping connectivity.
Okay, let me check.
You can create a continuous ping for some packets. No, not that one.
Which one then?
The Fortinet firewall management IP.
Yes. Trying that one only. Yes, it's being able. Management IP, right?
Yes.
I'm able to use the GUI, the CLI as well, if you can see, right?
Mm.
Let me try a different browser, as Kalim said.
Or you can try in a incognito mode.
Okay, I will try that also. Let's go with HTTPS. Mhm. Let's see if it works in Chrome. Yes, it's working over here. Yes, the trial is for 15 days. You can download it from support.fortinet.com. You will find the images for everything like KVM, VMware ESXi, etc. You can do factory reset too after 15 days so that you will get all the configurations and the trial period will be resetted. Yes, the latest is 7.4.2. Okay, we can access over here. Network interfaces. As you can see, we have given the IP address 192.168.1.200, right? Let's go to our port 2, edit. As you can see over here, port 2 is for LAN, which we have given 200.200.200 network, right? Let's give it LAN. Let's give the IP address 200.200.200.1/24, right? Okay, we will enable ping. We don't need VRFID for now, right? Virtual routing and forwarding. Okay, we will give port 3, edit it as our WAN interface. We will give the IP address 10.1.23.1/24, enable ping. Okay, so as you can see, we have made the WAN interface and LAN interface. We are done with the configuration, our basic configuration for our static routing. We have enabled ping for both of them. Okay, so let's check in CLI. Here can also check the routing table of firewall, right? Router info routing routing info.
It will start with so, right?
Oh, sorry. Show routing
So router info routing table.
Yes, the connection lost. Don't know what is happening with the firewall. Show routing info all. Right?
Hmm.
I think there is some issue with the firewall.
Sir, he write a message box for
Yes,
you
get router
try.
info.
You should try to get routing.
Okay. Guys, there is actually some issue.
No. Get router info routing table.
No, it's okay, but the router is the firewall is not connecting very well today. Let me check about this issue. What we can do is we can do our routing stuff tomorrow, right? I was using it in the daytime, but it was working fine. Give me 5 minutes, I will check, or else we have to do it tomorrow. Okay?
Yes. Or you can reload the box once.
Yes, I will do it. Thank you. Okay. Guys, there is some issue with the firewall and my server, which is getting disconnected. Okay, so we will start tomorrow with routing. Okay, I will check before
Okay,
the
sir.
I will check before the
But
session and make sure we will not see this problem in the next session, right?
Rahul, but also Abhishek write some comments in the message box if you want to try.
Yeah, I tried that command. Okay, it's showing, but the connection is getting disconnected again and again. So we'll not be able to complete the routing, right?
Okay.
Okay, okay, guys, we will continue tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
I will
Okay,
solve the
see
issue
you
till then.
tomorrow.
Okay, start with your practicing. Go through firewall box, right? Okay, guys,
Yes.
let's end our meeting over here. Thank you. Okay, Abhishek, I will share it. Okay, I don't have much time, that's why we'll share it. All the materials post our lectures, right? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.